Hi guys! Good afternoon and welcome back sa ating new video. New day, new blessing.
New video. So today is the day
That the Lord has
I've been
made.
waiting for 6 months.
Wow.
And we're gonna buy a new fridge. Because our fridge is, moldy.
Yeah. We are choosing between
Fridge or table?
table.
Table is cheaper, so I thought we'd get the fridge out of the way first. Isn't it?
Yeah. We're gonna buy a fridge, but we have no food
No
inside.
food. But let's show them the old fridge. I always clean this fridge, but it's always, dirty. I don't like,
But guess what fridge is that? Where is it from? From Cameron as well. He give it to me. He give it. Niregalo niya sa akin, guys. His presents.
It doesn't get. The door doesn't close well.
Yeah.
So, and then look at this.
Well, we're not gonna throw it. We're still gonna use it, isn't it?
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the shop to sell drinks.
Yeah, we're gonna sell drinks, guys.
So
Ooh, can you put this in?
At least we have a bigger freezer. That's a frost free. Look at this one.
So, and that one is not inverter.
Yeah. So yeah, at least we can still use this for the shop to sell drinks. So basically, we're buying a fridge for the shop.
Yeah.
It still makes sense.
Yeah, we can still use this for our business, guys. Kasi magbebenta kami ng mga drinks, guys. Mga inumin.
I want a bigger freezer so we can stock a meat.
Yeah.
Instead of going to the market every day, we're just going to buy loads of meat, freeze it.
Yeah. We need to buy, containers as well to put meats, not plastic. Because if it's plastic, the blood gonna...
Oh, it leaks.
It leaks. We've been eyeing that fridge for how many months?
6.
Yeah. Oh, ang tagal na namin gustong
bilhin. We have
yan,
more house
guys.
updates also this month.
Yeah, but we're gonna do that.
Another vlog. Important ones.
Yeah, hindi lang namin nabili yung fridge na yun, guys. Because, may Rusco pa nga kaming binabayaran that time. But now, Rusco is already paid.
Yeah. So we have spare money.
It was spare money. Another stress. It's okay, one step at a time, isn't it?
Yeah.
At least.
And then maybe next month, table.
Table, yeah.
And then downstairs is, fully complete.
Complete na sila downstairs. Para pag arrive ni baby, we don't have stuff to buy anymore. The only thing we need to focus is for the baby stuff.
Yeah, the baby stuff will start in July.
Yeah, and also guys, we're not gonna buy a lot of stuff for the baby because baby is, grow faster, and in the same time, mom, she are planning to send us a box, right?
Yeah. We just only need bed,
Crib.
diapers, milk,
Yeah.
clothes,
Not really much clothes.
and just, toys.
Because sa UK, guys, there's a lot of free stuff
Yeah,
there.
it's cheap.
Yeah. So the only thing we need to is buy a box in Facebook Market. Maraming free stuff talaga doon, guys, na maano mo. May friend nga ako na sa UK na hindi talaga siya bumili ng mga gamit ng anak niya.
When they have baby, they can't. When the baby's already grown, they're gonna get rid of all the stuff.
Yeah.
So it's cheaper. But here, no one does that.
Yeah, no one
Maybe
does
they
that.
give it to their family. Or
Yeah.
They keep it.
They keep it for their next
In
baby.
the UK, they just skip. They don't want mess. They just get rid of it.
Yeah. That's why, I have a friend there in UK. She didn't buy anything. Maybe a couple of few stuff like clothes, and that's it. She didn't buy anything, guys. Everything that she has for her baby is free stuff. Kaya, ayun, kung maano ka, alam mo yun, hardworking ka na online ng free stuff na yun, and mag-pick up ng mga
You're just only
stuff.
gonna buy a crib.
Where the baby didn't shower, bath, baby bath.
Baby bath. Other, small stuff. because the things like breast pump and everything cheaper in the UK, so we're gonna get it from there.
Yeah.
It's like half the price cheaper, isn't it? Here it's expensive, and the Robinsons is really expensive.
So
how much is the one we saw there? The breast pump, 26,000.
26 Philips.
In UK it's like 3,000. I'm not paying 26.
Well, it depends on the brand that you're getting.
Yeah, same. You probably buy better brand than that.
Yeah. So yeah, soon mag-ano na kami ng ano. Soon ipapadala na sa amin ni Ma'am. Basta before mag-anak ako, ipapadala niya sa amin yung box, balikbayan box, isn't it?
Yeah.
His family. Cameron's family, even Nanny gonna send some stuff for the baby. So we didn't go in Imperial, guys. Kasi walang parking lot. So diretso na lang kami. Maybe we're not meant to, you know, it's not meant to be there.
It's really disadvantage of having a car. The car park is full. There's nowhere to go.
Ayaw ka, and then na-i-stress kasi si Cameron kapag maghanap pa ng parking lot. You stress, you get stress when there is no parking lot.
Yeah, because there's nowhere to go. You're a motorbike, find somewhere.
Dito na kami, guys, sa Robinsons. Dito din kami kanina kasi bumili kami ng tsinelas. Diba bumili ako ng tsinelas nung when did we went in Iloilo Malap? Last month only? Last month lang, diba? Sira na yung tsinelas ko, guys. My tsinelas was already ripped. So, 1 month lang nag-ano yung ano ko, tsinelas, nag-last. So, ayun, bumili na naman kami. And then Cameron also got us. Are you excited for your dream fridge? You're gonna buy double door and then the only thing you have in your fridge is water. So medyo madaming tao ngayon, guys, kasi nga fiesta dito sa mismong town. Ayan.
It's busy for fiesta.
And I think there's like an event there. Like a program. Ayan na, guys, yung Rob appliances. Hopefully may sale sale. Hopefully they have sale. Malantaw lang kami. May sale ka mo ka dyan? Sa mga ref? Samsung? Dito na tayo, guys. Sa ano? Sa ref? Ay, hi, Nong! Ha? Ang tayo. Sino? Ano meron dun sa dalon?
Samsung? Cosplay.
Cosplay contest.
Button preser.
Ang raya. Do 38 lang malakaligad. Bukat sale?
Naka-discounted na.
Discounted. Kung cash? Kakaligan. No, we're out of price.
Ano ma'am, nag-update may 1 by.
Okay. Ha?
Mabuot.
Ang mabuot yung nakuha agad nila.
Ilonggo, yan doon na pagparayaw si mga buot na sa.
Ano nga ang sarado ng extra?
Ang bench. Ang mare.
May mga bago mo ka mo.
May stocks naman.
They have a new stock.
We have a new one, sir. May child lock naman.
English siya ay. Para maintindihan na. Sige rin. I-explain ka namin ng
20 years motor boy na. Sir, only 1 year sa part service on labor. And in motor compressor, we have 20 years warranty.
Apa kuya?
Mas wala.
Kapo na lang yung display.
Kapo na.
It's a new display, malap. It's a new.
New model. Bago pala bro ito.
Just buy a smaller one.
It's up to you. What's smaller? The 26? Well, it can be. Yeah, that one is okay. I think that one is like 26.
Can't decide. You have to go to Imperial.
So guys, break muna. Dito kami ngayon sa ano guys, sa Shakey's. Kakain muna kami. We can't decide.
You should have measured the fridge.
I told you earlier to measure it. Now we can't decide.
You don't measure it. You need to measure it first.
Well, we don't have measure tape. Do you? So, ayan guys. The other one is 26. The other one is 25.
What's the big one? 25?
26.
26.
The smaller one is 25.
What about the power one?
I don't know. So, ito yung orderin ko guys, oh. Ayan. Sobrang gutom na ako eh. Ayan.
Not the same.
The same?
I want pepperoni or something.
Good.
It's better than last time. Maybe last time we were busy.
Ayan tayo guys. Gutom na ang buntis. Feeling ko naglilihi ako sa spaghetti. Kasi nasasarapan talaga ako sa spaghetti. Chicken. Guys, we didn't buy the ano.
We're gonna go to Imperial.
And then we're gonna end up change my date.
Because it's really big and I need to measure it before to see if it fits in my kitchen.
So, lesson learned guys, if you're gonna buy a fridge, need to
Always check it.
measure it first.
So I wasn't expecting it to be that deep, depth.
Long?
Yeah, depth.
At least we're full now, we can, you know, decide really well. Earlier, we're really hungry. Punta muna kami ng Imperial
It's
guys.
raining.
Punta muna kami ng Imperial guys and then
Just hit.
yeah, just almost there.
It's gonna be in this day.
Not yet. Imperial, ano, yung pinupunta namin lagi na, you know, what is it, appliance store and furnitures. That's 33.
This is 26 months.
Oh, now 24. $26 in ano?
22.
28. Look at this. Hi, ma'am. Lanta lang ko ni ma'am.
It's just really hard deciding something like this. This is going to be like, you know, a long time. More than 5 years, isn't it? They have a nice one in there, a big freezer, but then it says, you know, Samsung, but it's only, honestly, 2-star energy rated.
Tas wala silang ano guys, they don't have good tables there, they don't have much choices.
If we go home again, measure the fridge on our wall and see what size we can really get. Remember, it's going to be like, it's going to be again. If this wall wasn't here, it's going to be the same.
Yeah.
Well, let's see. Let's see how it is. But then where are we going to put this?
Because there is a plug there.
Just move this along.
Yeah.
Put it there.
Yeah.
Put the shoe rack under the stairs.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Or put the shoe racks there.
Yeah, just move that mop bucket. Move everything along a little bit. Back to Robinson's for the 3rd time. Everyone gonna stare at me even more.
Finally here guys, hopefully makadecide na kami.
Is this the 4th time or 3rd?
3rd time.
Let's go. Let's make the decision.
Yeah. Choose wisely. Choose wisely. Buy once or buy twice. Nahihilo na. Final na.
Boy! Boy! Boy!
I don't think it's too big
Boy!
for our kitchen.
Oh, we're gonna put...
Doesn't matter if you put it there. Is it too big for the kitchen?
Are you happy? Why you look sad?
Huh?
Why you look sad?
I don't know.
Sabi ko, ikaw bahala. Bahala ko, decision mo yan eh. It's really massive.
What's good on the fan?
Huh?
What's good on that fan?
8 blades. Or 9. You know, that's... So, bayaran na. It's payment time.
Those are Robinson points.
Yeah. So, ayan na guys. Bubuksan na. And, itatry ang fridge. Malab. Look at the, you need to take care of later in the house like that. It's really high. Ayan guys, tinatanggal na nila. May wheels naman pala sa likod. Ganda. Bottom freezer.
Pangagat. There's yun.
Gapangagat. Bag-o.
Oo, bukas yun. Para sila sa mission ka, Gasol. Kasi ka na.
Bayad na guys, Cameron. There you go, guys.
You see how tall it was? Did he film it? I'm scared. They're just going to hit electricity wire.
Okay naman to. 10-wheeler truck doesn't even hit. How much more this
This is higher than 10-wheeler truck.
Okay talaga ito minsan. Dito na kami guys. And then, ibababa na lang.
Binamano, taga bakal ko na may protein.
Tingnan yung likod ng fridge, oh. Linisan muna natin yung likod ng yung kasi nga sobrang dumi. I-map natin and everything. Okay. I'll do it.
Yes. Hindi ko lang.
Kada puso. Kada puso ba? You push it like that. Wala gatagol na si Mabiri.
Gani.
Wait first. Bago pa kayo sa tapos.
Mayad lang ba? Aram si Papang?
Nabuan.
Kita yan, son.
Nabubusan mo na, mister.
Diyan na yan?
Yan. May pagli-pagli.
Try pa namin na tawag nito, mag 3 hours kasi 3 hours na itlog pero wag lagyan ng anything, and then after 3 hours yan pwede nang lagyan pero konti lang, and then after 24 hours doon na mismo lagyan ng ewan ko kung bakit, pero yun yung advice bakit hindi pwede lagyan, pero okay lang naman kasi wala namang laman yung ref namin, so okay lang naman, wala naman kaming ilalagay na madami. And then also we got 1,500 voucher grocery guys. So which is, good, right? Hindi ka nalugi. Anyway, nabubugas na ako ng pinggan. And then yung lumang ref andyan pa. Hindi ko pa natanggal, hindi pa namin natanggal yung laman. Kaya ayan. Maya na kasi nga may frozen food pa dyan sa loob.
ASMR. You hear that? Oh, Maverick. ASMR for Maverick. You listen. No.
Apple dito sa Maverick.
We can sell ice. As of now, that is our fridge complete. Milk, cranberry juice, sauces, chocolate, and 5 potatoes.
Basically, that's the stuff in our old fridge.
And the soju, which is Charlie's.
Yeah.
No one's drinking. How long has it been in now?
Since December. Since New Year.
Oh, since New Year, yeah. And 4 eggs. But we have a, you know, one 5 voucher we're gonna spend on food. Need to close it.
Pag matagal mong binuksan, guys.
You're gonna fill the dispenser.
No.
Maybe we should fill it and then just turn it off.
Maybe.
But then every time it runs out, I'm just gonna use a cup.
So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys.
Oh, sweating.
Impulsive buyer. Is it planned or unplanned?
Been planned for months.
Been planned, but we didn't expect that we're gonna buy it today. Like Cameroon, minsan parang ano talaga to, bigla. You just suddenly, okay, I'm gonna buy it. Yeah. So, ayun guys, yun lang yung ganap natin for today's video. So far, are you happy what you got?
Yes, I'm very happy.
It seems so. And then, I'm happy as well if you're happy. So, I'm gonna take shower na guys, and we will end this video na. Thank you guys for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
And we hope to see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Love you all.